Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92. So, the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud. Right here. So let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. Usually it's the right one, but at this earbud it's the left one to increase the volume. So you need to press and hold and look at this widget. You need to all time release your finger and then press and hold again. You cannot just press and hold and it will increase the volume. No, you need to do this each time. And to lower the volume, you need to use your right earbud and again just press and hold. Press and hold. Press and hold, press and hold, press and hold, and as you can see I lowered the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.